Here is my Bullnox chart. So if I trade this chart, it's a Bullnox. If I trade this chart, it's Apex. If I trade this chart, it's TopStep. All in one platform, I'm able to trade all 3 different accounts at the same time. Yes, I am super excited because finally I figured out how to copy trade between Apex and TopStep. I figured out how to copy trade between Apex and Bullnox, Apex and TickTick, but I could never copy trade into TopStep. But today, I finally learned the trick to do it. First, of course, you'll need Quantower. So Quantower is a alternative trading platform for futures, and it's almost like NinjaTrader, but it has its own perks. So to do this, you'll need a advanced feature subscription, which is $25 a month. So Quantower overall is free. So if you use it with just one firm like TopStep or with Apex, it will be free. But if you want to combine it and trade on multiple firms at the same time, then you would need this advanced features subscription. It's only $25 a month. It's totally worth it. It comes with other perks as well that I use all the time. But let me show you guys how to actually copy trade between TopStep and Apex and any other Rithmic connections. When you will get a TopStep account and you select Quantower on the checkout, you'll get your login, and then you download Quantower, and then you go to connections. So this is what you'll see. You'll see Rithmic, and you'll see TopStep down here. I just moved it up. But, you know, the first thing I did was logged into TopStep this way. So you log in. Let me also log in. I'm already logged in actually to my Apex. But again, to be able to log into multiple Rithmic connections, you'll need this advanced features subscription from Quantower. So definitely don't forget that. Now I'm logged into TopStep using the TopStep connection that you see here. And then when I go to copy trade, that's where it became tricky, right? So let me also log into my Bullnox. So that way I could show you guys between 3 firms how this all works. So I have TopStep, Bullnox, and Apex. All 3 accounts are logged in, and I could trade them individually right now on 3 different charts, no problem. I don't have to log in and out of each. So then we go to copy trader. So this is the copy trader on Quantower. Again, this is free to copy trade between individual firms. So if you want to just trade Apex, you could copy trade between Apex accounts for free. You could copy trade between Bullnox accounts. You could copy trade between TopStep accounts. You know, it's free that way. So you don't actually have to pay for the copy trader. It is in beta mode, but it actually works really well. I haven't really had much issues other than the typical copy trading issues that you come across with any copy trader. But basically, we have Bullnox right here, right? So I have Bullnox, and then let me show you guys, for example, TopStep. It says item has the wrong connection. So TopStep and Bullnox would not work. And the same thing would happen with Apex. Now with Apex, I can't do it either, right? So I was like, well, that sucks because I could do it with Bullnox. So if I want to copy trade between Apex and Bullnox, I could do it no problem. And this would work with other firms as well that I've tried. And TopStep was the only one that wouldn't work. And I figured that they had some kind of limitation. So I kind of gave up on it. So how do we actually make it work? Well, it's actually quite simple. And I didn't think it was going to work. I just tried it for some odd reason. So let me log out of this. And then I made a new Rithmic connection. So you just click plus, then you will select TopStep, TopStep Trader, and then you put your credentials. So you click on Rithmic and the big plus, and that's what this is. So this is my TopStep login. And now when I log in, it will let me copy trade between TopStep and the Apex account or Bullnox account. So let me show you that. So we have this account now. So we have Apex to a different Apex account. Then let's do Bullnox. So we have Bullnox, and then we'll have the TopStep account. So all 3 will now work. I could save it and we're good to go. And it's going to copy trade between all those accounts. And I really wanted to share it with you guys because if you are trying to trade multiple firms, it definitely helps to have a copy trader that you could do it with between all the firms. That's if you want to do it. I mean, not everyone is going to copy trade, but just having the ability to log in to multiple firms. So right here is my Bullnox chart. So if I trade this chart, it's a Bullnox. If I trade this chart, it's Apex. If I trade this chart, it's TopStep. All in one platform, I'm able to trade all 3 different accounts at the same time. I don't have to, log in, log out. I don't have to have different windows. and it's quite amazing. So I highly recommend it. And let me know what you guys think. If you have any issues, the copy trader has some limitations to it. You know, you could do percentage and multiplier and stuff, but it's very limited to a, you know, compared to like Replicanto, but it's very solid and doesn't really have any issues other than like if you don't get out of one trade, then the orders could get stuck, and you know, then you have to make sure you cancel all the orders. So stuff like that happens with every copy trader. So you just got to have a working orders window open and then always cancel any remaining orders if something doesn't get filled. So if you're using bracket orders and then you just manually get out of a trade, make sure you cancel all the orders and close all positions. This is an evaluation I passed and I have a lot of cushion on it actually, so I could take a trade in it. So if we take a trade, and then we'll put a bracket in for profit and stop loss. And then I get into a trade on the bid. You guys could see both accounts kind of got in. Both accounts are being traded. And then if you wanted to kind of get out of the trade because, you know, you don't feel confident, whatever, if you want to get out of it, you would just hit close all here instead of closing them here, because I could show you again. So let's go short this time. So now we're short. So if I hit close positions, look what happens. The orders still stay. Okay. The orders are still in. So there's no positions, but the orders are still in. So you have to cancel all the orders and now you're out. So just keep that in mind that this could happen. And if you forget, then you could get stuck with a open position without realizing it. Because when you're trading multiple accounts at the same time, you're not going to monitor every single account. Always keep an eye on the positions window and the working orders. All right. And then last thing you always want to have for your bigger accounts, you always want to have the Rhythmic Trader Pro open. Obviously, you can't have it open for all 3 accounts. So if you have 5 accounts with Apex, at least keep it open for that just in case. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I could make more videos on Quantower. I really enjoyed this content. My last video is getting a lot of views and a lot of comments. So I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the content. Apex has a 50% off sale right now. It's not optimal, so probably wait for a bigger sale unless you really need an account. Then the code is up there or down there, so use that. Appreciate all the support from the affiliates and stuff. So I could also make a video on that, how much money I bring in on YouTube and affiliates. It's a topic that's always been something I enjoy watching from other YouTubers. It's not a lot, but it could give you a motivation to start your own YouTube channel because it doesn't take a lot and you're not gonna make a lot. But I always say a couple Red Bulls a month and a couple of accounts, a couple of evaluations a month, it's still worth it. It doesn't take that long to put out these videos. It's harder to come up with topics and then editing part. So this video is edited, so it does take a little bit longer, but sometimes I just do these videos all in one shot and I put them out there and some people watch and it's worth it. Obviously, it's not a lot again, but maybe it'll give you some motivation to make your own YouTube channel eventually. So if you want to see that, let me know and I'll be more than happy to show you guys that, because I think it's a big stigma in the trading world or any finance channel to show how much money the YouTubers make off of affiliate marketing, off of the courses, and off of the YouTube itself. But for some reason, the trading profits are always like there and they always want to show it, but they never want to show what they make on the other stuff, which is really what's bringing them their bread to their bank account, right? So that's not the case for me yet, but if I could make this much, then I can't imagine what the big YouTubers are making. But anyway, enjoy your week. It's Wednesday. We got a couple more days and hopefully some more payouts coming soon. I'll give you guys an update on that. But for now, I'm signing out and catch you guys on the next one.